Hello everyone, so let's explore how to use Nem ID code app. This app is constantly in top charts in Danish App Store as it replaces like Nem ID code cards. And this is just an app, and all the process with using Nem ID is much easier just with the app on your smartphone. So you can use Nem ID codes just on your device, and this app supports your access to online banking, burger.dk, Sanha.dk, all other websites while you would use your Nem ID. You can just as well enable your Touch ID and all of that. So I'll just show you an example. So here is the app. You can log in with Touch ID to the app. Nothing happens. But for example, if I want to create an account in Nordnet or log into burger.dk or something, so I just tap here. And I need to log in with my CPR and then so there you have it. And then I see this notification that I can just send it to the app. And I have app notifications enabled in the app. You can just tap on it and I can just tap like approval received. You can close the code app now. And I can just go back to like Nordnet and stuff and I will be logged in. So that's the idea. So it's much simpler than using all these like code cards and just looking for them. Previously, I was just had like code cards photos and stored them in like Google Photos or something like that, and was looking every time if there is a new code. So it simplifies so much the process. And for example, in Danske Bank or other banks, if you need to confirm your purchase, you can also use this Nem ID app, or of course you can also confirm the purchase with SMS to your phone number, but you can use Nem ID and it's quite simple. Super simple app. And then in top left you have settings, so you can enable feature to lock when the app closes. You can enable unlock with fingerprint, with Touch ID. You can turn on notifications. You can change PIN code for the code app. Then there is a guide here. And that's that. So I just showed you all this process. And then you can change the PIN code for the app. And then if you think there is some suspicious activity or stuff like that, you can just revoke code app. So that's how you do it. Of course, you can just reach out to Nem ID support from here. So that's how the Nem ID code app works. Hope that was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.